Lone Star Drift round 2. Got a couple clouds out, but it is like 90 plus degrees and like 90% plus humidity, so it feels like absolute shit out here. I've got my Nitrous on today because today is the Pro-Am day, so I can have stuff done to my car. Oh man, that's spicy. Alright, you ready? So fast on that. That's the guy with the mountain bike. I rode his mountain bike. He's got a Santa Cruz Bronson, which is kind of what I'm looking at. And he let me ride it around, and I did a couple of hops on it, and I was like, dude, this feels really good. And just for reference, I'm in a DE with a 50 shot of Nitrous. Max is in an HR, so he's got a little bit more power than me. Let's get it. Car was missing, dude. 50 more horsepower. Incredible. was so much fun. Oh, he's going all the way up. Hell yeah. Criminy. There's not even a breeze.
Not even a breeze, bro. Fuck.
It's crazy that these cars can just like fucking do this being so hot.
And then we do it for years. It's insane, bro. I know. It's so crazy to me, man. The tires on your big bike, do they still use tubes?
No, they're tubeless.
No way.
So when I do the, like, I just replaced the tires because they were kind of dry rotted. So I like pretty much put the tire on, but I leave it open a little bit and I pour this like milk in there. And I seal it up and like kind of pump it up a little bit, and now you just have to like shake it around and swoosh it and spin it and get it to like coat
the inside of the tire?
inside of everything. Yeah.
What the hell does that do?
It's like a sealant. So it's like it pretty much just seals it all up.
Bro, tubeless tires is sick.
Yeah.
That is sick. Do they like, are they reliable? Do they get punctured? I don't know anything.
I haven't had a puncture yet.
Where's he going?
I don't know. Watch this. Look at him. The Yari loves the triple dipper.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
You looked at me, you were like, is this motherfucker for like joking?
And I just see you smiling back. Oh my god. That was awesome. Oh my god, dude, you killed me, bro.
I saw you like looked here and then you looked here. You're like, what?
Oh my god.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. That was good. I'm sweating in my eyeballs.
Oh, I know.